Hello everyone, and this is the Lithuanian Scare channel, as you may know, and today we'll be playing Outlast, as you can see right here. Ah shit, I regret just getting this game because it just looks so scary. Anyways, as we mentioned in the last video, we will be uploading Outlast and Amnesia at the same time, so I hope you guys don't mind. And after I finish both of them, if I finish Outlast at all and Amnesia, because I might die out of the heart attack, then I'll be putting them into playlists so that you can enjoy them, you know, when you want. You can share them as well, so okay. Let's start with nightmare. Come on, normal. It's violence, graphic, sexual content. Oh, I like that. And strong language. Please enjoy. Oh, please enjoy. Thank you. You're Miles Upshur, an investigative reporter whose ambition is about to earn him an intimate door of hell on earth. Always willing to risk digging into the stories no other journalist would dare investigate, you will seek out the dark secret at the heart of Mount Massive Asylum. Stay alive as long as you can, record everything. You are not a fighter. So navigate the horrors of Mount Massive and expose the truth. Your only choices are to run, hide or die. Ah shit, I regret playing this. God damn it. Ah shit. Okay guys, wish me luck whoever's watching this. If anyone is watching this. Pretty graphics. That looks nice. Okay, I'm expecting a jump scare here. Just because reasons. Oh shit. Hey, shit again. Mount Massive Asylum. Who comes up with these names? Massive and stuff. Okay. Yep, just get out, of course. You don't know me, have to make this quick, they might be monitoring. I did 2 weeks of software console for at Morkov, yeah, psychiatrist systems facilities in Mount Massive. All sorts of NDAs. I am very much breaking right now. But seriously, fuck those guys. I like the language. Terrible things happen there. Don't understand it. Don't believe half the things I saw. Doctors talking about dream therapy, going too deep, finding something that had been waiting for them in the mountain. People are being hurt, and Murkoff is making money. It needed to be exposed. Who wrote this? Mars. No, that's me. Mute mail, okay. Seems legit. Batteries, of course, yeah. Hello there. HD like my videos. Night view, that's good. You have no idea how scared I am. Oh. Okay. Ahem. Let's hide. Okay, so that we can do. Lock it across. I suppose he uses battery. Clippers. Can't they close it? Oh shit. Oh guys, I'm very much terrified about this. You have no idea. Of course, storm. Throw. Yeah, I'm gonna love this command, I think. It won't budge. So what do we do? Break a window. Oh! This place almost assumed shut down amid scandal and government secrecy in 1971. Reopened by Murkoff's psychiatrist systems in 2009 under the guise of a charitable organization. Cell phone reception cut off abruptly a mile out, more like a jammer than lost signal. The Murkoff Corporation has a long track record of disguising profit as charity. Usual stuff, but never on American soil. Whatever they thought they could get out of this place has to be big. Might finally be the story that breaks the bastards. Pew pew pew. So basically we are recording everything. That's nice. Record this motherfucker. Okay, nobody wants me here. That's locked. Beautiful. Beautiful Celestia. Wait a second. 3 cars, all armored. This has to end up badly. See what I mean? See what the fuck I mean? God damn it. I can do that too. Okay, we go this, see? A fountain. Beautiful. So, yeah, no. Beam. This seems nice. Squeaky clean. Okay, I suppose that won't be open and we'll have to climb that sheet. I'm a magician. I'm just natural. So we're gonna get pushed. What's with the music? Fuck. That's like the scariest thing ever. Stop that, man. If the music is so scary, I have no idea how scary the actual game will be. See what the fuck I mean? Duh. No. Fuck. Shit. Uses battery. Oh, of course it does. Guys, just give me a second, man.